This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to look at a couple of tech plays whose earnings are out tomorrow. And first is going to be Microsoft, and the second is going to be Meta. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Microsoft, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, the earnings are going to be coming out here tomorrow. So let's first of all, let's look at the downside. So what we want to do is look at this 8 SMA here, okay? So you're sitting at 325.60. And then what we want to do is look at this 21 SMA here. You're looking at, let me see here, okay, 324.51. Okay, so that's going to provide nice key support. Now again, if that is lost, then what we do is we just follow these candles right on down here. So then you want to look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 321.89 here. You have 321.39. We have, let's see, 320.04 here. And then we just start looking at the bottom here, okay? So you have 316.30, and then we have 314.90. We have 314 flat, and then on this candle here is 311.21, and then there's your big retest here at 309.45. So if these key levels here are lost, okay, your 50-day and 21-day, just follow your candlesticks here on the left-hand side. You always want to look at the highs, the lows, and the closing number. Now, if this 309.45 is lost, then we come right here to this 200 SMA here. You're looking at 303.54 here. Now, here on the upside, well, what we want to do here is we always want to look here at this 8 SMA here. Okay, so you're looking at 329.73. Then we look at this 100 SMA here at 330.74, and then we have your retest up here at 336.88. Now again, if you can get above that, then we look to this candle right here. Okay, so then you're looking at 340.86 here, and then we just take ratchet these candles all the way on up here. Okay, like say this candle here, you're looking at 344.67, and then you look in here at the bottom of this candle here at 345.07. Okay, so the top here is 344.67. There's your gap, and then look to the bottom of this candle here at 345.07. There's your fill. And then if you look to the top of this candle here, you're looking at 351.89. And then you can work yourself all the way up here to 366.78. Now, they got a lot of good stuff here going on with this AI here. So you got to be very, very tentative and just listen to the conference call here and see what direction. So you already know here what you need to hold, that 50, that 21 day. And you really need to get above here this 8 SMA here and this 100 SMA here to attack that 336.88. And then a possible on this candle here at that 340.86, and then look for that gap and then look for that fill here. Now here on a weekly chart, well, you know, we always want to look here on the upside. So you want to look here at that 21 SMA here, that's sitting at 330.15 here. And then on the downside here, you want to look here at 325.87 at 8 SMA. So you kind of pinball action here. But again, if you can get above that, then she just works her candles right on up. If you can't, then you can come all the way down here and retest that 309.45. Now your RSI here, well, you're looking about right in the dead center here. Your MACD still has a bullish cross here. That's looking pretty good here. I think the numbers are going to be good here, but we just got to see how it's all going to shake out. All right, let's take a look here at Meta. Okay, Meta, here's another really good play here, like even like for the AI play, another long term. Now you can see the run that this thing had. Just what a beast. It just kept right on going up. But that was then. Let's just see what we have now. Okay, so let's look at the downside. Well, we always want to look at here at that 21 SMA here. Okay, so you're looking at 311.92. Now, if that is lost here, then we just come to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 307.26. On this candle here, 306.47. And then we have that 50 SMA here sitting at 303.19. And then right below it, you have this 100-day at 298.77. Now, even if it came down to this 100-day, you can see where you have a low, a higher low. And even if it worked, this came right down to there, you'd still be fine, okay? Even if you came down to this 286.79 here, this still would be a very, very bullish pattern. You always like that series of higher lows here to go higher. So on the upside here, well, you want to take a look at this 8 SMA here. That's 315.51. If you can get above that, Then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 321.89 here. We have 324.40, and this candle here, you got 325.94, and then 330.50 is your big retest. Now, right now, this is still a very, very bullish pattern. Got to just see how it's all going to shake out here with the earnings. Now, your RSI here is looking good here. Your MACD is kind of like a bearish cross here, but then again, that's because it came from 330 and it rolled all the way on down here. So we got to see if that can curl right back up here and send the price higher. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, again, we want to watch this key 8 SMA here. That's going to be critical, 306, and then we have your 21 right below that here, sitting at 298.39 here. Okay, so but even if it comes down to there and it holds that pattern, that series of higher lows here is still very, very bullish here for the long term. And then you have your big target up here at that 330.54. If you can get above that, well, then you can work yourself all the way up here to this 353.83 here very, very easily here. You got a really good bullish pattern here. You can see how you're holding all that up. Even when it's sold off here, you're holding that higher lows here, which is always very, very bullish here. So you could look at this. You can say, well, you got yourself left shoulder ahead and your right shoulder here, and just waiting for this thing just to scream right on up here. But tomorrow will be the tell here, so we got to see how the earnings are going to shake out here. Just watch your key support levels here, and then watch that 330.54 here, however you want to trade it, long or short. All right, thanks for watching.